I'm Aiman, and welcome back to one of my product showcase videos. In today's video, I'm going to showcase this cat litter box. So, this is a pretty simple showcase video. So, the reason that we're doing this video is because originally we want to replace that broken litter box that's in the cat kennel right now. And we want to do that before Nisa's birthday party, which was in July. Right now it's August. And we bought this one to replace it because we saw, oh, it's $10. So Anissa bought it and she got it up to the register and we found out, oh, it's actually $30. Yeah, so if it was me, I wouldn't, if I was at the cashier, I would just not get it. But they were in a rush, so they bought it. And actually, because it's $30, my dad decided he didn't want to use it outside. So we're gonna find another $10 to $15 litter box and use it outside. We're gonna use this inside because it's pretty nice. It's not just a litter box, it also has a pretty unique feature. There's a screen at the bottom of it that makes it easier to collect the poop. Because what's gonna happen is you put the litter in there, they poop, and then you raise the screen, it's gonna sift out all of the litter, and then it's going to just have the poop in that screen. Give me a second. Okay, so the brand is Vibrant Life, by the way. It's actually the same brand as the gravity water that we just got. So it's a hooded litter box, which means that it's better for keeping in the smell. And it comes in 3 parts. It has the hood, and then it has the base, and then on the inside of the base, or actually it comes in 4 parts? Question mark? Give me a second. Let me just do this. So it has the lid, the base, and then another base. Okay. And so the reason it has that is so that you use water to sift out the litter, then pull out the poop. Or no, you put litter in there, is instruction 1. Then you pull out the poop is instruction 2. And then the third instruction is you pour the poop in trash. Then, oh, the bottom one, the last one of them at that point is going to be filled with litter, and the other one's going to be empty. So then you take the screen. So then you would take the screen, now that you've dumped the litter, and you put it in the empty one. And then you pour all the litter onto the screen, and then you put the empty one, the now empty one, under the previously empty one. Okay, that makes a lot of sense. All right, that's cool. I like that they thought of that. That's pretty cool. Maybe it was worth $30. Anyway, this goes back on top, and you can tell which side it comes on because there's a little hole there. Oh, sorry, a little cusp there. And then it should just lock in place. Okay, and it seems to hang on pretty well. Not, I didn't think it was going to hold on well, but it's pretty good. So while it did feel flimsy at first, and actually the handle is bendable, it's actually quite strong. And let's take the tape off. And this works as a hood. Not sure how my cats are gonna like it because they poop in the basement, and the basement's usually dark. But we have a motion detecting light set up so that they can poop. They like pooping in the light. So I don't know how they're gonna like pooping in this cave here, but maybe they'll get used to it. Okay, but let's try to simulate that process of refilling the litter. Also, it has a filter at the back to reduce the smells and also filter out the smell. But anyway, so assume that there's litter and poop in here. Okay, so let's use this litter here and fill it up. Okay. I'll fill it up a tiny bit. Alright. That's good. So it's going to look like that when it starts out. And let's assume that your cat like poops in it. Alright. So you take the screen out. Oh. That's a lot easier than I thought it would be. You take that and then you dump it. Right? And you don't just put it back on top, right? And that's why they have the bottom one. The bottom one is so that you can take the screen, put it on top of it, and then take the litter from before and pour it back on. Then you can repeat the process. Take the screen. Very simple, and you don't even feel the weight of the litter. It just pops right out. Then you dump it. And then you put it back on. Oh, and that's a moth in there. Let me just, I don't know where that came from. Then you put it back on. And then Bob's your uncle. Okay, and even with the litter inside of it, looks like these latches hold on pretty well. I was actually kind of surprised that they held on because it felt like they were also flimsy. But yeah, so that's how this litter box works. This is by Vibrant Life, by the way. If you want to buy it, I'm sure you can find similar models on Amazon. I'm not sure if Vibrant itself is on Amazon, but if it is, we'll link a description to it down in the comments below and in the description. And we'll see you there. You can also get the gravity water that we covered in our last video. So go check that out if you're interested. But anyways, I'm Aiman, and thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and like other videos on EyeOnAiman, especially the videos on product reviews and our cats. We have a lot of videos on our cats. And we'll see you in the next one. I'm Aiman, and signing out. Why is she like that? So funny.